A wrong notification badge on Solitaire Cache usually means the app's notification state is out of sync with the notifications your device has already received. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the badge on Android and iPhone without changing your Solitaire Cache account. First, open Solitaire Cache and check every visible notification or message area inside the app. If the badge shows a number but there are no unread items inside Solitaire Cache, the phone may be displaying an outdated notification count. Close Solitaire Cache completely, then open it again. This forces the app to reload its current notification state. Check the app icon after reopening it. If the number is still wrong, restart your phone. A restart can refresh notification services that may have become stuck while an app was running in the background. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Solitaire Cache, and open Notifications. Turn notifications off, wait briefly, then turn them back on. Open Solitaire Cache again and check whether the badge has refreshed. Android devices can also have a separate setting for notification dots or app icon badges. Open your phone's notification settings and make sure app icon badges are enabled. The exact menu name can vary by Android manufacturer, so use the settings search bar and search for notification badges or app icon badges. On iPhone, open Settings, select Notifications, choose Solitaire Cache, and check that Badges is enabled. If Badges is already enabled, turn it off, and then turn it back on. Reopen Solitaire Cache and check the icon again. Next, check whether Solitaire Cache has an available update. Open Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Search for Solitaire Cache and install any available update. An outdated app can sometimes display notification information differently from the current version. If the badge still shows the wrong count, sign out only if you know your Solitaire Cache login details and can safely sign back in. After signing back in, check whether the notification count matches the messages shown inside the account. The key point is that the badge is controlled by both Solitaire Cache and your phone's notification system. Refresh the app first, then check notification permissions, badge settings, and app updates. If none of those steps fixes the count, contact Solitaire Cache support and include your device model, operating system version, Solitaire Cache version, and a screenshot showing the incorrect badge. Try those steps in that order, then like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire Cache fixes.